Nouns. Types of nouns include common nouns, proper nouns, concrete nouns, abstract nouns, compound nouns, and collective nouns. A noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples are teacher, car, book, dress, John, Brooklyn, New York, United States of America. Naming a person. John is the most loving kid in the class. Naming a place. They are traveling to United States for their summer vacation. Naming a thing. She lost her pencil yesterday at school. Naming an idea. Martin Luther King Jr. fought for equality for all. Common nouns. A common noun names a general person, place, thing, or idea. For example, the children are in the classroom. The nouns in the example are children and classroom. Proper nouns. A proper noun names a specific person, place, thing, or idea. For example, Mary is my best friend. The proper noun in that sentence is Mary. Concrete nouns. A concrete noun names a person, place, or thing that can be experienced by your five senses. Examples are the rain fell so hard that the roof on my house sounded like a drum. The concrete nouns in that example are rain, roof, house, and drum. Abstract nouns. An abstract noun cannot be experienced with our five senses. Examples are heroes often have pride and courage to keep them going. They are fighting for the safety of our country. The abstract nouns in these examples are pride, courage, and safety. Compound nouns. A compound noun combines two or more words to form a singular noun that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples are base and ball to make baseball, class and room to make classroom, rest and room to make restroom. In the sentence, the classroom is too small to fit the bookshelf, classroom and bookshelf are compound nouns. Collective nouns. A collective noun is a singular noun that names a group. Examples are team, flock, school, and pack. In the sentence, the pack of wolves were howling throughout the night, pack is a collective noun.